That golden retriever didn't just hop into the driver's seat, he executed a learned routine. The open gate removed a barrier, and the open car door became a powerful cue. Every step, from jumping in to pawing the steering wheel, is tied to past rewards. The horn isn't random, it's an action that gets attention, and attention matters to a dog. Then comes the passenger seat and that nose toward the seatbelt buckle. That's the final piece of an observation-based chain. Dogs copy behaviors they've seen, especially when those behaviors lead to a ride. Each action, from the jump to the nudge, is reinforced because it produces a familiar result. This dog isn't driving. He's predicting the next step in a routine he learned by watching you.